Oh, wow, you can see my reflection there. Hey everyone, Dan here coming at you with a new video. It has been a while since I've done one of these, but today I had something that I just could not resist doing a video for, and that is unboxing a 128GB iPhone 12 Pro in Graphite. Very excited about this. It's finally agreed after all this time. Wow, videoception. He has finally agreed. I have no idea. You're probably wondering what's going to happen to my iPhone 11 that I got earlier this year. Well, the good news is I paid this off with Sprint, now a part of T-Mobile, not a sponsor. And I'm going to be giving it to my father because he finally agreed, after all these years, to stop using very cheap Android phones and trying out an iPhone. So I'm going to get that all set up for him over the next couple of days and introduce him to the wonderful world of iPhone. Baby Yoda pop socket. I also have here to open up an insignia case for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, and I just want to take a moment to say that I hate their branding that they're doing for this. Instead of writing on it for iPhone 12/12 Pro, they're writing on it for iPhone 6.1-inch 2020. There are a lot of people that are not going to know what that is. People who are not tech savvy, who don't realize that the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro are 6.1-inch displays. That was a poor marketing choice, Best Buy, but we'll open that up at the end. So I'm just going to jump right into this because I am really excited to get this phone open and set up so I can start using it and writing about it on my blog. So my favorite part of unboxing an iPhone is always taking the plastic off, both the plastic on the device and the plastic on the box, because Apple makes it just such an intuitive process. They put the little green arrow right on there. Sorry, I don't know where my camera is because I'm filming this on my iPad Pro, and I've got a very jerry-rigged setup. Shout out to Jerry Rig Everything. Can't wait to see your durability test on this. That should be good. Let's do this. Shout out to Apple. That is a really satisfying removal experience right there. That really is. So the box for the iPhone 12 Pro is actually half the size of a usual iPhone box. And that's because Apple decided this time around not to include a charging brick or wired headphones. They're just including the Lightning to USB-C cable, the phone, and I believe there is one sticker instead of two. I'm kind of disappointed about that, but I guess it is what it is. Anyway, let's... You know, half the box has half the exciting pull. I just want to say that half the box is half the exciting pull. Yeah, that's less exciting than opening a usual iPhone box. I realize that I'm saying less exciting when I'm opening a $1,000 iPhone, but here is the iPhone 12 Pro in Graphite. I don't want it to fall out of there. I got a fingerprint already. Oh, but this does look nice. The USB-C to Lightning cable. If you don't have a USB-C power brick already, you're going to need to get one. If you have the iPad Pro, like I'm filming on here, there is a 18-watt one that comes with that. If you want the fast charging with the MagSafe adapter, you need to have a 20-watt one. But they did also say, I saw a video today where somebody from Apple was on a podcast and basically said that you can actually plug in this USB-C to Lightning cable into your MacBook charger and it's not going to hurt anything. So that's an option to consider as well. Designed by Apple in California. And we have our SIM ejector tool. Doesn't help me. I'm on Sprint. Then we have a little before using your iPhone, safety and handling, radio frequency, charging BS that nobody reads. And then, yes, it is, in fact, just one Apple sticker this time around. Oh, this feels very premium. Now, I'm not going to be starting this up in this video because I need to get everything activated, and I don't want to do that here on camera. So I'm not going to be turning it on right now. But I am going to go ahead and do the peel because you need to do the peel. You know, even with paper, that's still so satisfying. Here is the sizing difference between the 11 and the 12. So you can kind of get a feel for that. Same size screen, smaller body. I'm not going to rock it naked. That's why I have the insignia case. And this is a very simple one to unbox. Now, this is actually only a temporary case for me. This is not going to be my permanent iPhone case, because I don't want to spend, $40 or $50 on a case only to find out it's not the right one. So this is what I'm basically calling a burner case, so that I can throw a pop socket on and, have access to that in the meantime until I can get a proper case. Okay, this case doesn't feel terrible. This is definitely not the case that I'm going to want to use as my daily driver case when all is said and done. But for now, this is going to be a fine case. Doesn't add too much bulk. I kind of thought it felt a little bulky. But now that it's on there, it still feels very good in the hand. And once I get a pop socket on this case, that's going to be perfect for me. So anyway, I'm going to go get this all set up. Be sure to keep an eye out for me writing about this over on my blog, danstransky.wordpress.com. Also, be sure to keep an eye on my gaming blog, thatjerseygamer.wordpress.com. I am trying to write some stuff on there still from time to time. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm on Instagram as thatjerseygamer. You can find me on Twitter, twitter.com/danstransky. And I really would like to make videos more than once a year, so do me a favor, comment, thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button so you can see when I put out new content. I am going to try and put more stuff out in the future. And until next time, this is Dan, signing off.